welcome to the first vlog. Let's start. Yeah. So probably this is not the first vlog. I mean, this is the first vlog that I wanted to make. Yeah, because you know I'm talking and you can see the roads more than my bike tank. So that's a win. Other than that, yeah. See. I have never been vlogging before, okay? This is the first time I'm trying to put a camera on my helmet. Yeah. So this is also a new situation for me, so I hope you guys like it, like seriously like it. If you don't, please let me know if something has to be good. But other than that, I'm trying to make better videos. So okay. So it's 6:51 a.m. in the morning. I know my display shows 6:51 p.m. Actually, setting the time is way too much of hectic in this one, so let it be. Okay. And the second thing is that I really wanted to make an announcement today. The first, it's as a part of my vlog, I'm gonna start. There's a new series I wanna tell you guys about. It's called the Unexplored Bihar. So in this, basically I'll be riding to different places in Bihar, like some places you know, some places you don't, and some places I will Google and find on YouTube maybe. So yeah, considering those, I'll be riding to those places, and then we will see. We'll see what's happening in there. And so about the series, okay? So the series is called Unexplored Bihar, as I told you before. But the important part is, like, I don't know much of suggestions. I don't have much of suggestions in here. Yeah, I'm looking for more places to visit. So it will be really helpful if you guys could tell me some, like, in the comment section you can suggest me some places where I should ride to, or in your locality which places you like, or do you want me to vlog it, and anything will be cool. Morning rides and good weather. What else? Yeah, this is NH22, so I'm taking a short ride for it's a morning ride. I'm going to my favorite tea spot. So those guys make the perfect tea. So that's where I'm heading to right now. So, okay guys, nothing else. Perhaps you should see a little bit more of sceneries, and then I'll take you to the place. I'll take you to the place where I have my regular tea scheduled. See, yeah, this is what I want you guys to see. Look at this. Okay guys, we are almost close. Yeah, I already did pass the spot, but yeah, there's one thing. I have to make a U-turn, so taking the U-turn and then we'll go to the spot. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys know, I'm riding a Bajaj Dominar 400. Yeah. It's a BS6 I have bought in 2021. Yeah, almost, it's been a month. No, it's not been even a month. And it's pretty good. I know. The really one thing that I love about this bike. Yeah, there is a lot, but there is one that can that cannot be taken away, is the exhaust note. This bike, it kind of roars when you drive it. Okay, you drive it at a good RPM, and when you start, you'll know that there people will notice it. It has a good road presence. Yeah, talking about the road presence, here is the guy. Okay, we're on the spot. भैया तो चाय बना दो. हाँ दो. Yeah, this is the spot. I guess you all know. Bhagwanpur is there. Yeah. There's one request from you guys. Like, if you guys like my video, then please do subscribe to my channel. See, I'm new in here and I'm starting now, so I need all sort of help in here. Okay. And yeah, you can see the crowd. I can also see the crowd. So please do like my videos, comment. It will really help me grow. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Okay.